In this video, we are going to see that if you want to change your email address that you have by default in Reddit account, here's how you can easily do it. First of all, just click on the top right hand corner and click on your profile icon. From here, we head over to the settings, and under the account tab, you will see this email address option, and you can see your default email addresses mentioned right here. So next to it is this arrow sign. Click on that and you click on continue to change it. First of all, you need to verify with the password that you receive on your email. So once you click on continue, you will receive an email on your official email that's mentioned right here, and there you will get the reset password option. All you have to do is just click on that reset button. You choose your profile, and then you should be able to mention your new password and confirm password. And that's all we have to do. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.